So previously we opened my first Star Wars Unlimited booster box, and that was one of my two Twilight of the Republic boxes. So I'm gonna shift gears and move to Shadows of the Galaxy now. So we'll see what we get out of this. I'm looking forward to it. Again, this is only my second box. I just kind of started getting into this, more so from a collector's perspective versus playing the game. But you know, I'll probably look into playing a game and learning and see how fun that could be. So, all right, well, let's see what we get. I will be making clips of each pack opening, so stay tuned for each one.